안녕하세요. Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. Let me take you back 8 years ago because I'll be doing a throwback K-pop nail art inspired by Girls' Generation's music video. For my index and ring nail, I painted them with blue. Then baby pink for my middle nail, yellow for my pinky nail, and white for my thumbnail. I also added iridescent glitter top coats to my thumb, index, and pinky nail. Let's start with my thumbnail. I'm using a yellow acrylic paint to paint the word "oh." Let it dry, then add another layer. Then, if you're happy with the opacity of it, add the outline. Then for my middle nail, I'll be painting the letter G. After applying layers of the color and making it opaque, let it dry and add the outline. For my ring nail, I'll be painting number 32. This is Kim Yaeon's number on the music video. Then let them all dry and apply your favorite top coat. If you liked today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video to your awesome friends. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. 안녕!